Ruko U11MINI 4K RC3 drone review. Real result with 3-axis gimbal and built-in screen.
Picture this. You finally saved enough for a drone, spent an hour wrestling with phone cables and app downloads, only to watch your screen overheat and shut down the second you frame that perfect sunset. I watched a friend miss his daughter's entire beach day because his controller kept losing connection. That quiet frustration hits hard. Never enough time. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you felt that.
Here's what actually happened. Every precious golden hour wasted troubleshooting instead of capturing. Every family moment lost to setup struggles. Every creative idea abandoned because your gear fights you instead of helping you. The mental drain builds silently. A travel blogger told me she stopped bringing her drone entirely because the stress outweighed the footage. That's heartbreaking. Relief exists.
Then, everything changed when I discovered the Ruko U11MINI 4K RC3 with its built-in 5.5 inches screen controller. Don't just pick any drone. Make sure it has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and integrated touchscreen so you never experience phone mounting frustration, app compatibility nightmares, or shaky, unusable footage again. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers stunning 8K photos at 48 megapixels, smooth 4K at 30 frames per second video from a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, and buttery smooth stabilization from that genuine 3-axis gimbal, not fake digital stabilization that crops your footage and still looks jittery. The magic is real. Picture this. A real estate agent racing between 3 properties, no time to waste. She unfolds the U11MINI, powers on the RC3 controller with its crystal clear 1080p display, launches within 2 minutes, and captures professional aerial footage of all 3 homes on a single battery. No phone mounting, no app crashes, just smooth, cinematic results. With 64 minutes of total flight time across 2 batteries and weighing under 249 grams for FAA-exempt freedom, this changes everything. Here's what surprised me. The 20,000 feet transmission range keeps your video feed crystal clear even when exploring distant landscapes.
Here's what transforms after your first month. You finally stop second-guessing every flight because the GPS stability just works. Your content library explodes with cinematic aerial shots you'd never attempt before, and friends start asking what expensive drone you bought. Then their jaws drop at the actual price. This isn't hype. A leading drone technology reviewer confirmed the U11MINI delivers stabilization quality that punches well above its weight class, with a gimbal producing buttery smooth footage that EIS-only drones simply cannot match. An adventure photographer shared, "I've taken this drone through 6 countries. The sub-249 grams weight simplified every border crossing, and the built-in screen controller saved me countless setup headaches in remote locations." One college creator said the 48 megapixels photos let her crop aggressively for Instagram while keeping stunning detail intact. Concerned about learning curve? The one-key takeoff, GPS hold, and multiple return-to-home modes eliminate beginner anxiety completely. Worried about durability? The included spare propellers and thoughtful carry-in case protect your investment from day one. See why thousands refuse to fly anything else now. Quick question, which feature excites you most? Comment 1 for built-in screen, 2 for 3-axis gimbal, or 3 for 64 minutes flight time. This upgrade lasts.
This is about reclaiming creative freedom without gear fighting you every step of the way. Join the growing community of creators, families, and travelers capturing the stunning aerial moments with the Ruko U11MINI 4K RC3 daily. Results may vary based on conditions and experience. The complete package with 2 batteries, RC3 controller, and everything you need is linked in the description and pinned comment below. Click and experience the difference that smooth 4K footage and effortless setup bring to your storytelling today. You deserve this simplicity.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.